In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the fuel prices functionality. In Leon, it is possible to compare fuel prices from different suppliers that the operator collaborates with. To use this feature, the first step is to upload a file with fuel prices from a specific supplier. This can be done in the Ops module under the Fuel Prices tab. Select the fuel supplier, upload the file, and press Save. Remember, the file must be in a format accepted by the Leon system. It is the responsibility of the fuel supplier to send a correctly formatted file, so if an issue arises while uploading it, the file format is most likely incorrect and needs to be corrected by the supplier. You can check for differences in the file by comparing the current file with the previously uploaded one that was successfully imported into the system. If you are using more than one supplier at a given airport, you can check the fuel prices from all your suppliers in the airport field. The lowest price will be highlighted in green. There is also an option to add your own fuel prices using the Add Custom Fuel Price option. You can also mark a fuel supplier as favorite. This will highlight the supplier in the Fuel tab in the Ops section. It is possible to sort the prices at the selected airport alphabetically, by card or by price. It is possible to define a global reference fuel price to calculate a fuel price index regardless of the supplier. The reference price will be used to calculate the fuel price index, which will be displayed in the Fuel tab in Ops. The index will show the percentage difference between the price offered by a supplier and the reference price. When uploading fuel price files into Leon, not all files include both base price, that is price excluding taxes, and total price, including taxes. To view both prices in the Fuel tab in Ops, we have enabled the option to upload a file with country tax rates and mineral oil tax rates. To use this feature, a proper file format is also required. Detailed information on how to configure this functionality can be found in our manual, under the Fuel Prices section. Additional configuration of some default fuel prices settings is available in the Admin panel, in the General Settings section, under the Fuel tab. You can select the default currency for fuel prices, default quantity unit for fuel prices, default price type for fuel prices, whether it is based or total, automatically add or update fuel prices for future flights. This will automatically update fuel prices for your flight when the STD falls within a specified time window. The maximum time window that can be set here is 7 days. For better clarity on the fuel suppliers list, those suppliers that operator does not work with can be excluded. They will then not appear on the list in the Ops panel under the Fuel Prices section. Once all configuration elements are completed, we can move to the Ops module and the Fuel tab. Here we have a list of fuel suppliers whose prices have been previously imported into the system. In this section, we have the ability to choose between base and total prices, manually add your own fuel price, check the index in the defined global reference fuel price, if the function has been used. You can also add a note to individual fuel suppliers, add a fuel price from a selected supplier to the crew tip sheet document, and place a fuel order directly from the Leon system. The message content corresponds to the selected email template assigned to fuel request. Custom configuration is available in the Admin panel, Email Templates section, Fuel Requests. Modifying the template requires the basic knowledge of HTML, so assistance from your IT department may be needed. However, we provide a basic default template that users can use. The content of the fuel request can also be manually edited in the current window. It is possible to add additional recipients in carbon copy and blind carbon copy, or include the forwarded message to the cockpit and cabin crew members. If the user has the mailboxes service configured, all communication with the fuel suppliers can be conducted directly within Leon, bypassing the external mailbox of the user. For any additional information, please visit our manual or contact our support team.